The National Bureau of Investigation has sent the subpoena to OWA Deputy Administrator Mocha Uson. The NBI is referring to Uson's social media post last April about the personal protective equipment she said were bought by the Department of Health. Her post had a photo of frontliners wearing PPEs. It was called out by netizens because the same photo showed the PPEs were donated by a private company.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.